4 marks IGCSE question. The question says expand and simplify. Let's zoom in so it's easier. Now we need to simplify and expand this. So the first thing we do is multiply this 5 here and there. So this would be 5 times x is 5x plus, I think this is very small, 5 times y is 5y minus, you have the 3x plus 3y. Now let's combine like terms. X looks like x, so 5x minus 3x is 2x, and y looks like y, so 5y plus 3y is 8y. We finished with this part. It's 2 marks, imagine. Now let's look at the next part. The next part says simplify m to the power 4 to the power of 3. It's indices. The law of indices says if you have 2 indices, multiply them. So it's m to the power 4 times 3, which is m to the power of 12. How easy. Do you get it? These questions repeat a lot and students get it wrong. That's it. That's the 4 mark. Yeah, it's just that. Can you imagine? Oh, we missed this one. Let's do it. T to the power of 3 times t to the power of 7. So the law of indices says if you have 2 indices, you just add them if it's multiplication, right? We add in this case. So it's going to be t to the power of 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. So the answer is t to the power of 10. Goodness, look at this t. It looks strange, but it's still a t. And that's it for this question. It's 4 marks. So now let's do question 2. ABCD is a parallelogram